Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to print color for pictures on any t-shirt. Basically what you're gonna need is a inkjet printer and sublimation inks. Also you're gonna need heat transfer paper. I'm gonna use this chunk paper just for video's sake and not to waste any of clean sheets. So what you're gonna do is you have to take the picture. I'm gonna place it right in the middle of the printing sheet just because I have some old stuff here that has failed, but I'm gonna use the middle part of the paper. Press print. In this video I'm using Epson P50 printer. It's an inkjet printer, which means it shoots ink right on the paper. Alright. Make sure the paper is in there correct, otherwise it's gonna drag it in sideways and you don't want that happening. Okay, now once the printer is ready, take a picture, press print. Okay. I have to hold it down since there are sensors in here, and if the lid goes up, it won't print. Okay. Starting to come out. Alright, and this is the BMW logo that we just had in our PC. So now let's get to pressing. When you start pressing, you have to remember that every material needs different temperature and time. I'm pressing on cotton. Cotton needs 170 degrees and 20 seconds. So while we wait until it gets to 170 degrees, I'm gonna cut out this paper because I don't want any of these things to get on my shirt. Okay, now it's ready. And all we have to do is wait. Before we press the picture on the shirt, we have to press it to remove all the wrinkles. Just press it for 3 to 5 seconds. That should be enough. Alright. Then place the picture on your shirt. I'm gonna use baking paper, put on top of it. It's just to save the shirt. Press it for 20 seconds at 170 degrees. Okay, now let's see how it does. Boom. And that's it. You can basically print anything you want on any shirt except black, since black doesn't like take the colors in. So yeah, thanks for watching and good luck printing your own shirts.